Alright, greetings family. This is Bomani Tyehimba and Africa for the Africans Tour Group, October 2014. And we're here at Agogo at the Youth Institute of Science and Technology. And I've been coming here with our tour group since October 2007. And every year we come, we collect financial donations and also school supplies for the school. Our goal is to make our contributions from the diaspora and make our commitment. Akosa Boateng, which is the co-founder of the school, is a good friend of mine. We both live in the Atlanta area, and we always talk about the philosophies of Marcus Garvey and the work that we should be doing. So we have connected along with a lot of other African diaspora and other African brothers on the continent, mainly here in Ghana, so we can do great programs and connect ourselves with our children, the future of Africa, and also do as much as we can do to contribute. And also our goal is to be leaders and inspire other peoples from the diaspora to reconnect to the roots and also make their contributions so we can have a strong Africa. Now, we have a young man here, and so how has your experience been in Ghana with the school and the children? How do you like the energy?
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Is it the same as in America?
In America, they just be like, I just want what I want. So these guys, they're like, you get what you want? Yeah, it's good. Everything's good.
Excellent. So the difference you see is that the children are a little more disciplined and the programs are more catered to their culture.
Yep. And
Excellent.
I like the school.
You like the school?
I like technology and stuff like
excellent, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave you here and you can stay and be a leader. Would you like that? I was messing with you. Alright, good sister here, Pauline.
Hello.
Just share some kind words about your experience with the students so far.
It's a beautiful thing, the connection that they have with each other, the discipline and dedication. I admire it. I was actually tearing up earlier. So it's a beautiful, beautiful thing that's going on right here in the school.
Excellent, and we have our sister, Ashanti woman herself, and you're in the southern part of the Ashanti region. Agogo, have you been here before?
No, this is my first time.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Excellent. Now, share some out. How do you feel about what we've been doing as far as connecting to our roots and connecting with our children, the future of Africa?
This is too much. This is too much. We're happy to have you here. We wish the rest of you can come here and do what Bomani is trying to do for this kids. This is what we need. Because these are our future. You know, when you come here, you support them, you give them the courage to learn. So we wish you would be coming here every year. Thank you so much.
I appreciate it. And now we're going to get one of the ladies from the school, my sister. We're going to give her a financial donation.
Madam.
Come on, True. Come on, True. My sister, I really appreciate your energy. Last time I was here, you weren't here, and you decided to come, and that is great. Now, just wave to our folks in diaspora. And I want you to give them some kind of encouragement, because what you did was brave. You're here. You've been here for almost about a year.
Oh no, I actually came July of this year. My husband, he was here last year, so he went back home to the U.S. and he told me what great things they were doing here in Agogo. And I said, well, we should go back together. And so I'm here for the full year. I'll be here until July 2015.
Excellent, family. And any of you from the diaspora that would like to volunteer or do some great work for the school, we're always open now. We need volunteers, as many as possible. We can never get enough. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to present this financial donation from our group, which is a whole lot of money to the students that we've always done. And they're going to put it to great use. And if you want to donate, you can donate directly, or you can reach out to me. Here's my sister, and we appreciate it, and we're going to keep it going.